Daphne, are you around here? Jinkies, this place sure gives me bad vibes from all the girls who are missing. I really wonder what happened in this house. I got to find Daphne before anything happens to her, or I'm gonna be taken. Okay, Velma, calm. Aphrodisiac! This room is filling with this chemical. I have a bad feeling about this. Jinkies!
Velma?
Daphne, is that you moaning? Hello, is there anyone there? Are there any kidnappers? Daphne! Daphne, are you hurt? Daphne, if you're in here, I need you to get out now. This place is filling with aphrodisiac, and you might be affected, just... like...
What? Velma, I don't know what's the problem is. I like it here with my new best friend.